Okay.
Just tell me when.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Just gonna rip this off. Take one of these. Take the end that has nothing on it. Just stick
Okay.
it in there.
Okay.
Pull it out, and then flip the other side,
Okay.
and just stick it in there. Oh, I can't see.
So that's the fresh one.
Yeah, I broke it. So sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I am.
Putting a new one?
There we go. Yes.
Okay.
There. That's better.
Okay. Awesome.
And then you'll just put the new dome.
A new dome. Okay. So do we need to change the dome as well?
Yeah, because sometimes wax gets in there. I can give you some extras.
Okay, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
And same for this one. Just
Okay,
take-
so that's it.
Yeah, that's
so
it.
remove that white one, put new white one,
Yeah.
and new dome.
Yep.
Okay, so
That's it.
okay.
That's it. That's all.
I'm also taking your full picture. Okay. Thanks a lot, ma'am.